Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing and I'll give my impression after using this particular phone for some days. And this is the Redmi 13C, which you get with a 50 megapixel camera, 90 Hz display and other goodies. And basically this I got in that Star Frost white, I guess it's called. And let me just show you how it feels. And if you want to get this particular device, guys, just check out the link in the description. And one thing what Redmi does a very good job is the charger. Inbox charger is 33 watt, comes with this particular nice data cable also, which is going to fast charge your phone, guys. And definitely other companies should take a page from Redmi's book. And if you see, this is one of the best looking colors what I have seen under 10,000. I don't think so any phone which comes even close to this particular phone, guys. And again, this is not a paid review. I'm not being paid by Xiaomi or someone. And let me just boot this particular phone and show you how it feels in the hand. And honestly, if you see, I'm recording this particular entire video outside, and I'm having no issues with this, guys. And if you see, the display is quite good, and especially this 50 megapixel camera, I'm just having a mixed experience about this. Sometimes the photos are extremely good, sometimes they are bad, but just the in hand feel of this particular phone is really amazing. You get this like crystalline kind of design, which is frosted some white, and it is a mixture of blue color, which definitely grabs attention, guys. And this phone does not look like any other phone in the market under 10,000. In fact, this is having one of the best color and design according to me, and comes with a 3.5 millimeter jump. And as you can see, I don't like this Redmi branding, but it is there. And out of the box, this is coming with the MIUI. You can definitely improve it by updating your phone to HyperOS. I'll show that also. And it comes with pretty much lot of bloatwares, guys. As you can see, some Opera browser is there and all, which nobody is going to use. And the worst case scenario is you can just remove them, and sometimes you can even connect it with your PC and remove this particular software, games and all. So the software experience was a mixed bag, I would say. Still, Xiaomi have not learned from its past mistakes, I would say. And as you can see over here, camera, when you are opening for the first time, just disable this location button, and it is going to help you a lot. uh, Trust me, the camera is quite good. The only issues which I faced was sometimes clicking human photos, guys. And beside that, everything is amazing of this particular phone. And as you can see, the autofocusing capability of this particular phone is quite good. As you can see over here, I'm able to take proper focused photos. So sometimes you need to take 2-3 photos, guys, just to get that perfect picture. And I don't think so any phone does it better than the Redmi 13C. Here is a picture of this particular grass, guys, and you see the autofocusing is quite good. Only sometimes when I'm clicking the photos with a human subject, guys, it is not good at all. You can get this from Amazon. Check out the link in the description. And as you can see over here, the focusing is spot on, and there is nice bokeh. This is what I don't like about Redmi is it comes with Android 13 when the MIUI version is 14. You can definitely upgrade to HyperOS, and the performance of the phone, including the camera, etc., is going to be fabulous. And this is a 4G variant, so I have not tested the 5G, and there are some unnecessary and stupid apps like this Snapchat. I don't know why people use this. And rest of those things you can definitely remove the bloatware by manually uninstalling it. And network is quite good of this particular phone. In fact, this is one of the phones which are having a better network. And the battery drain is almost as good as no, guys, because Redmi is known for its battery life. That's what I can say. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to my channel and check out these awesome videos which we have it. And let me know in the comments below, are you thinking of purchasing the Redmi 13C, or you are looking for some other review? Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.